Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the PDF and navigating to the page with the content you need. Then select Tools and choose Snapshot, or press G for a quick shortcut. Once done, zoom to frame the area precisely so your capture is clean and scaled correctly. Make sure to set View Scale first if you will paste into a CAD or estimating program. This preserves measurements and avoids rework later. Click and drag to define the snapshot area. Release the mouse and Bluebeam copies it to the clipboard automatically. Next, paste where you need it, inside the PDF, a new file, or an external app like Word or CAD, using Ctrl+V. When inserting, choose Maintain Scale if you need accurate measurements, or Fit if layout matters more. This choice affects dimensions and appearance, so pick based on whether you need measurement fidelity versus visual layout. After pasting, crop, resize, or rotate the snapshot to place it precisely. You can also flatten or rasterize the image to ensure consistent printing and reduce editing issues. Once done, save your file to preserve the snapshot and any scale choices. If measurements or scale look wrong, recapture while explicitly setting the view scale before taking the snapshot. This is the most reliable fix when pasted dimensions don't match expectations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.